Alright, let's talk about how to get the absolute best results from Eroxon Gel. Whether you're new to this product or you've already got it in your hands, knowing the right way to use it can make a huge difference in your experience and your results. If you're watching this, maybe you've heard about Eroxon and you're curious, or maybe you already picked some up and want to make sure you're using it right. Either way, you're in the right place, and I'm here to walk you through every step so you can feel confident and comfortable. No matter your reason for trying Eroxon, I've got you covered with clear, simple instructions and a few extra tips to help you get the most out of every application. First things first, Eroxon Gel is designed for men who want to support their intimate health and boost their confidence. It's a straightforward product, but using it correctly is key to seeing the best results. The key here is proper application, so let's break it down step by step. Taking a few extra moments to do it right can really pay off. Step 1. Make sure the area is clean and dry. This is important because any dirt, oil, or moisture can interfere with how well the gel works. Just use mild soap and water, and then pat dry with a towel. No need for anything fancy here. Keeping things simple and gentle helps avoid irritation and sets the stage for the gel to do its job. This helps the gel absorb better and reduces any chance of irritation. Clean, dry skin is the best canvas for Eroxon Gel to work its magic. Now when you're ready to apply, squeeze out a small pea-sized amount of Eroxon Gel onto your fingertip. It might not look like much, but that's all you need. Trust me, a little goes a long way here. You don't need to overdo it. Using more than recommended won't speed up the effects and could actually cause unnecessary mess or discomfort. Gently, apply the gel to the head of the penis, making sure to spread it evenly. Take your time and be gentle. There's no rush. The instructions recommend focusing on the glans area, but avoid the shaft, and definitely steer clear of any sensitive cuts or irritations. If you have any broken skin, wait until it's healed before using the gel. Massage it in using a circular motion for about 15 seconds. That's it. This helps the gel spread evenly, and ensures it's absorbed where it's needed most. You're looking for a thin, even layer, not a thick coating. Too much product can actually slow down absorption and make things sticky. Here's the important part. Give the gel about 30 seconds to fully absorb before any activity. This short wait makes a big difference in how well the product works. You'll usually start to feel a cooling effect almost immediately. This is totally normal and actually part of how Eroxon works. That sensation means the gel is activating. Cleanup is super easy too, just a quick wipe if needed. If you want, you can wash your hands with soap and water right after application to avoid accidentally transferring gel somewhere you don't want it. This is especially important if you're about to touch your eyes or face. One more tip. Don't use Eroxon Gel more than once in a 24-hour period, unless your doctor tells you otherwise. Overuse won't improve results and could lead to irritation. And if you notice any discomfort or irritation, stop using it and talk to your healthcare provider. Everyone's skin is different, so it's important to listen to your body and get advice if you need it. So that's it. Simple, straightforward, and effective. With just a few easy steps, you can make Eroxon Gel part of your routine and feel more confident in your intimate health. Remember, consistency is key. Follow the instructions, stay mindful of how your body responds, and you'll get the most out of Eroxon Gel. Track your progress if you like, and don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional if you have questions. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-up men's health tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to feeling your best every day.